Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have a Bridgford filled French toast. Now I got this one from my buddy Days45 Otto. You guys should really check out his channel. He's got a ton of great content, excellent ration reviewers, so make sure to check him out. Link will be in the description box. Alright, so I have a number of these Bridgford products. Some of them are sandwiches, some of them are like snack breads and stuff like that. So alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna review each one by one. It'll be like a quick 2-minute video, just as filler content, and at the end we'll do the Bridgford MoRE pizza, which I also have. And yeah, let's just get this thing opened up and try it out. All right, let's have a close look. And this is a Bridgford shelf-stable filled French toast. I'm not sure what that number is, 7045, sticky finger 745. And here's the ingredients: bread, malted barley, water, palm oil, maple flakes, sugar, vegetable oil. What else? Wheat flour, maltodextrin, cellulose, maple sugar, cocoa powder, and the list goes on and on. So we're looking at sweet bread with maple filling, and this is good until September of 2020. So these things last a while. And here's the nutritional stuff if you guys are into that. Nothing in the back. And just to throw it out there, I'm not sponsored by Bridgford, just to let you guys know. Open it up, see what it looks like. And it looks like some of the filling has escaped. And it's very soft. It's a little bit slimy from that filling. You can see some pockets of cinnamon, at least that's what it looks like. And here's the inside, nice and gooey. So you guys get a nice cross section. And there's one thing left to do, and that is to try it. So let's handle that. Let's try it. Yeah, these things are excellent, great flavor to them. The filling is just perfect, has a nice cinnamon and maple flavor to it, and the bread is just perfect, nice and soft, not dry or anything like that. It's just yeah, I love these things. So but yeah, what can I say? These are excellent, one of my favorite Bridgford products. No real complaints about it, everything is great. Just gotta love that maple flavor. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just want to give a huge thanks to Days45 Autos, so make sure you check them out, and hope you guys join me for the next Bridgford review. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.